Hey guys, we're here with Buy ACRE, and our house is getting ready to be sold. So the homeowners with Buy ACRE in Asher hire us for this type of jobs. So what we come and do here is we get it ready to sell. Right, the garage was a mess, so we just painted it all white. There was cracks in the foundation. Cracks in the ceiling. Here was a really big crack. Right now it's drying. So that's what we do here, right? We prep. We make sure that it's ready to sell. For example, here we didn't do much. We painted the baseboards because they were pretty dirty. So we painted the baseboards. We painted some walls. We didn't do everything, like I'm saying, like we didn't do that front wall. We didn't do this wall here. We just did what the realtor wanted to us. It looked bad. For example, all the windows, they were cracked. So my guys put caulking on them. They painted over them. All the windows, you can see that's why they're open. Baseboard looks nice and fresh. We painted the doors in the going out to the garage, the bathroom doors. We painted this door. We painted all the baseboard here. You can't even tell, but there was a crack in the ceiling. So there was one crack there. And this is normal. It happens when the house starts to settle in. There was another crack there. We fixed it. We painted it. There was another crack there. We fixed it. We painted it. So something like this, they didn't want. That's Wedo, one of our helpers. He works here. Very good kid. He's learning to spray. So we got all this over here where we fix. And just it's a quick little touch up. You see? We painted this wall. We painted this wall. We painted this wall. We painted this. Just so, you wouldn't have, so it all looked nice, right? We painted the wall here. We painted this wall here. We didn't do the baseboard down here, and you can see the difference, right? From freshly done, but the baseboard here was good, so it didn't need much. We painted some doors, some walls in here, and pretty much what we do is, like I said, we prep it to get it painted. Now, for example, this home, the homeowner did not have to do much because everything was pretty well handled. Everything was pretty right. There wasn't that much damage in the house. The doors would look fine. So it's a quick we come in, we touch up the doors, we touch up the baseboards, we touch up the ceilings, any cracks, anything that the realtor wants us to do, we finish it and finish and get it ready to sell. So, for example, if you ever need painting, you're getting ready your home to sell, or you're getting ready to move in and you just want a quick touch up, you give us a call. Now, that's one of the things and one of the problems, that when we do get called for touch-ups, and this is everywhere, somebody that tells you that, oh yeah, I can match it, it's no way. And I'll give you an example. You guys see that? Well, that's a drywall patch. Not only it's a drywall patch, it's very noticeable because we told the owner that we needed to paint that corner. He said no. So just wanted to let you know what happens with this. Needed a drywall repair, so he just said he didn't want to spend the money, but it's fine. Now, if you're gonna do touch-ups, you gotta remember, you gotta go corner to corner because it won't match. It won't match. So just a little quick through of what we're doing. Here, I'm gonna show you what my guy is doing outside. Just a little walkthrough. Show you guys our work. And these are very, very easy to do. They're very easy. I'm gonna show you what we're doing back here too. You see all that rust that's over there? We're gonna paint the handrails, the view fence. And in the bottom, it's all rusted. So we're gonna cure it and we are gonna paint it. And this is what we do here. We fix things. You need something small. They didn't want to do nothing there. But pretty much we get your home ready to paint. Ready to sell. We're painting the fence. Remember guys, I was telling you about spraying the fence. Here you go. Look at the work. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Here are Jesus is giving, he's spraying right now. Just a great job. Look at that. Marigold painting for you guys.